Okay.
Oh, I want the lamp. Okay, how am I going to on this washing machine? Eh?
Okay.
Jen, Jen,
Yes, honey.
please, how can I on this washing machine? I don't know how to on it, please.
Just put your clothes in and pour the soap in and then switch it
I should put my clothes in.
in the washing machine.
I'm not entering inside.
No!
Oh my
Put
goodness.
the clothes
What I'm trying to
inside.
say.
Don't worry.
You
Let
don't
me
know
wash it
now?
outside, okay?
But I'm
Don't
gonna
worry,
tell
don't
you
worry, don't disturb
something.
yourself. Oh, I have the soap. I have my Nigerian soap here. Don't worry, okay? Let me wash it outside, okay? Worst thing that can happen to a man is when you marry the wrong wife.
But I know the hear word.
Huh? And when you marry because of beauty. Character is number one. I told Margaret, please respect me, but don't love me. Margaret, let me call America. Look at what she's doing. Washing part and bra in America. Where she has everything it takes to wash it inside. Under a washing machine. She can't even operate it. I'm calling me a man. Look what right now. My machine can be one. You go boom like look. Oh, woman. Everything is machine. That's why this woman is disgracing herself. She's disgracing herself here in America. Margaret, please learn now. At least you learn how to do it. Margaret, why are you doing this to me?
Will you keep quiet?
You want to
Come on, guys.
Margaret, you don't have shame in you. Margaret, you have done the last order.
Oh my God.
Any never machine. The only machine. She any machine. One machine. I don't know getting you out. Get you my machine can you pull now? Get you my machine. You are. She may be home.